Today's weather is sponsored by the Eye Care Associates of West Kentucky, the Paducah location, located at 1748 Broadway Street, downtown Paducah. Good morning, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is October 11th, 2016. Let's take a look at our water vapor satellite loop. Now, water vapor shows moisture in the mid to upper levels. Look over here and you see this spin. This is Hurricane Nicole that might impact Bermuda over the next couple of days. High winds, Category 2, possibly Category 3 system. Pretty intense. No indication that it will impact the United States, which is good news because we need a break after what happened with Matthew as it moved up the Florida coast into the Carolinas and Virginia with widespread wind damage and flooding. We take a look at our area and we don't have any real concerns today for rain. We may have some patches of clouds from time to time, but not anticipating any wet weather. We do have several cold fronts to monitor. One will arrive on Wednesday night, one on Friday, one on Sunday, and a strong cold front next Tuesday. We'll have to keep an eye on that one for some gusty thunderstorms. Let's take a look at the GFS model guidance, and what you're looking at here are isobars, equal lines of barometric pressure. Your green here, that would represent precipitation. As we move through today, we don't have any problems. We move into tonight, no issues with rain or thunderstorms. We move into Wednesday. Now, Wednesday's the day we're going to watch a cold front coming in from the west, strong high pressure building into South Dakota, Nebraska. Now, this is moving southeast, and our cold front will be moving southeast as well. What will happen is we've got quite a bit of warm air over our region, a little bit of moisture to work with, and as this front bumps into that, we will see some scattered showers and perhaps thunderstorms develop. We look at 1 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. Now, this may be a little bit overdone. The best chances of rain Wednesday afternoon, probably just to our northwest, but they will start to creep into our southwest counties of southwest Illinois and our western counties of southeast Missouri first. So in other words, moving in from the northwest and west. And as we move into Wednesday evening, the rain will move across the rest of our area. We stop here at about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock on Wednesday night, and you see scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, the way the GFS model here shows it, it's widespread. It may be scattered, maybe broken up a little bit, but many areas will pick up a little bit of rain. This isn't a heavy rain event, so 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. Where thunderstorms occur, a little bit more than that will be possible. And some of you, it is possible that some of you miss out on this rain event. We'll just have to see if a solid line forms along the front. Now, we could have some gusty thunderstorms as well. Officially, the Storm Prediction Center has placed parts of Illinois, Missouri in a low-end risk for a couple of storms producing gusty winds. This does not look like a severe weather outbreak or a severe weather maker for our region, but keep in mind some lightning and maybe some gusty winds with showers and thunderstorms. And we move into Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and the whole front moves through our area. Out of the area, we see high pressure build in, and that means cooler weather. This is Canadian high pressure. That means cooler temperatures, cooler weather for Thursday. High's probably only going to make it into the 60s, so a nice autumn day for Thursday. It will feel like fall outside. Now, another cold front or area of low pressure quickly pushes towards our region, upper level disturbance on Friday. The models have been backing off on how much precipitation falls over our region. This is Friday about 1 o'clock, and it shows widespread showers over Oklahoma and Arkansas, nipping our area. Some of the other guidance shows a bit more coverage, so I went ahead and went with about 40% rain chances for Friday. I'll reevaluate that when I get some new guidance in later today, but let's plan on at least a few scattered showers and thunderstorms on Friday as well, as that cold front or upper level disturbance moves through our area. Should clear out by Saturday. I'll stop here. This is Saturday at 1. Now, officially the GFS still has some showers in the area, but I really think Saturday will end up dry. I think this precipitation will be further east, so we'll just put a sticky note on that as far as this model goes. Probably overdoing it for Saturday. Saturday should be a nice day, a mix of sun and clouds and mild temperatures, autumn temperatures for this time of the year. We see another cold front back here, and we're going to have to keep an eye on that for Sunday because that front will also push through our region, and I do have shower and thunderstorm chances for Sunday across the entire area. The coverage on Sunday is also questionable, so for now I'll cap it at a low end chance and then reevaluate the guidance over the next 24 hours. But if you have outdoor plans on Sunday, at least plan on a few showers and thunderstorms in our local area. When we move through Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, Monday, and I want you to watch out here in Nebraska, a deep area of low pressure forms, even some snow back here in Colorado. Now this low is going to move off to the northeast and a strong cold front will push through our region. See these equal lines of pressure, these isobars packed together, very windy conditions along in southwest, southeast of this area of low pressure, because those isobars, when they tighten up, you get strong and gusty winds. So we move into Monday night. This is about 7 o'clock, 989 millibar low located over Iowa. Cold front down into Oklahoma. This is going to be an area we'll have to watch for some shower and thunderstorm development. Tightly packed isobars here, so gusty winds. Probably going to get some gusty winds in our region Monday night and Tuesday as well. The system winds up to 982 millibars here over Minnesota and Wisconsin, and this is by Tuesday around 1 o'clock, late Monday night, Tuesday morning. Area low pressure, tightly packed isobars, gusty winds in our area. And you can see this area here. This is where some showers and perhaps even severe thunderstorms might form to our northwest on Monday night into Tuesday morning. Now the front moves into our area on Tuesday. We see 981 millibar low here, area of low pressure over Wisconsin. You can imagine a cold front cutting right back through here, much cooler air behind it, warmer air ahead of it, showers and perhaps some strong thunderstorms on Tuesday. We'll have to keep an eye for some severe weather in our region. At this point, it's too far out to really know. Severe weather, normally you get down to the last day or two before an event and you start to forecast the possibility of stronger storms. But this is a deep area of low pressure, strong cold front, nice wind fields. All that leads me to believe we may have some strong thunderstorms on Tuesday with this particular system, and that sweeps through here by Tuesday night, and Wednesday should be dry. Let's take a look at rainfall totals for the next few days. And I do think the Wednesday event will be fairly light. I'm not anticipating heavy rain. Now the GFS officially is showing around an inch in Potosi, almost an inch in Mount Vernon, half an inch in Carbondale. And then look here in southeast Illinois, western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, the GFS is showing no rain at all, or maybe a tenth of an inch or so. Keep an eye on that. I think the best chance for heavier rain will be over our northwest counties on Wednesday night, and then with instability waning, we probably won't see as much over the rest of the area. We'll lose that instability, we'll lose that risk for thunderstorms, that will be present over our northwest and west counties on Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. I know many of you are working in the fields. I'm hoping most of the day Wednesday, most of the day is dry. We'll have to watch later in the afternoon and evening as this band of showers and thunderstorms along the cold front moves south and east across our region. We keep moving forward in time, and we'll move through that cold front, and we'll take you to Friday when that next system approaches from the south and west. How far northeast that travels is still a question mark. Perhaps better chances of rain over southern Missouri, the Boot Hill of Missouri, western Tennessee, and then areas south and west from there, perhaps lesser chances. So as we move into Saturday morning, I'll stop it here at 7 a.m. And so this includes the Wednesday, Friday event, rainfall event. And you can still see some of us have missed out on measurable rainfall. Other areas approaching an inch or so of rain over our northwest counties. Now, yet another system may move through the area on Sunday. We'll have to keep an eye on how much coverage of precipitation we end up with that front. But as we stop it here, you see, again, from Wednesday through Sunday night, now you've got almost a quarter of an inch at Paducah, 0.3 at Hopkinsville, half an inch in Martin, Tennessee, almost an inch in Mount Vernon. And that's for that whole time period, Wednesday through Sunday. Now we move forward in time and we look at that next front. A strong cold front moves through on Tuesday with possibly some heavy thunderstorms. We'll have to keep an eye on that, maybe some strong storms. And I'll stop it here on Tuesday night. Now you've seen Mount Vernon, Illinois with 1.3 inches of rain, Poplar Bluff the same, approaching an inch over northwest Tennessee, and about a half an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch over Kentucky. Same for southern Illinois, heavier to the west and northwest versus southeast. And again, this is for the entire time period, Wednesday all the way through Tuesday, with 3 or 4 cold fronts passing through the area or upper level disturbances. Hopefully between that time, all of us receive some rain. It is dry. I know the farmers are working in the field, so hopefully we don't receive any heavy rain. But on the other hand, we could use a little bit of moisture. We're entering fire season as well. We don't want to remain dry all the way through October into November. Then we would have quite a few field fires and we'd have to deal with that. So it's kind of a balancing act. I do know the farmers are hoping for some more dry weather. Let's keep an eye on these rain chances over the next few days. Plan on some showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, again on Friday, again on Sunday, and again on Tuesday. We'll have to monitor each one of them as far as just how widespread the rain will or won't be, but at least plan on scattered showers and thunderstorms each of those days.